Hi everybody, my name is Mutwana. Okay, let's get started. So look, you watch this video, right? If you watch this video, leave a comments below. Excuse me, sorry, my fault. Under the comment sections, because when you leave a comments, then I know, oh, there are people watching this video, right? I mean, there are people who want me to continue to make this type of video. So that's just very, very important for you to leave a comment. There's a feedback, like the video, and a share. Let's get started. Easy question, very easy. Now let me show you how easy it is. Let's go. So now let's, I used to scared of this stuff when I seen math when I was very young. This is actually easy. When you see this sign means add is something. So what does that mean? Okay, so now we say here we have negative x at the back. So you're gonna say negative x, leave it outside. Now let's add some stuff. What we're gonna add? They say we must add r start from 0 all the way r to 3. Means in the position of r, like here and there, we replace with a number which start from 0, 1, 2, but you stop at 3. You stop at 3. That's how they say the top number means you stop the bottom number, which is this, means start with 0. If they say 1, means you start with 1. So for now we're gonna start from 0. Now let's replace. So here it's gonna be at the bottom in position of r is going to be 0, and then there's a factorial, Now to the top you have x, reminder of how it is, and then you have r equal to 0, 0 plus 1, and then what we do, we say the sign of this is plus, means you're gonna put big plus. Okay, so I'm gonna say plus. Now you continue the same step, but r now is going to be equal to 1. Okay, so we're gonna say now here we're gonna put 1 factorial over, okay, our x, remind x, now r equal to 1, so it's going to be 1 plus 1. Now what we do, we add, because this sign means add, we add. Now we go for the next one, r equal to 2, so we're going to say now 2 factorial, in the position of r is 2, and then we have x, now it's going to be 2 plus 1, it's going to be 2 plus 1, and the last one, we know r equal to 3, means this is just, okay, so it's going to be 3, means you plus 3 factorial, and here we have a x. Now in the position of r 3, it's going to be 3 plus 1. Do not do straight away, because remember we have questions here and they say pick the one which is not correct. It means you're going to have to pick the answer which is not right, the wrong answer. So now let's see, is this in here? Yes, the first one, you see negative, and everything else just same as that. Oh, okay, so the first one is the correct, is true. Let's say it's true, but we don't want the true answer, because they say you have to pick the one which is not correct. So the first one is correct. Now let's simplify further and see which one is going to give us here. So I'm going to say then, okay, can I make as a second one? Maybe I can, but if you can look careful on the second one, they did not put them together. So I'm going to say, okay, see here, just like 2. So now say 0 plus 1, we say x 0 plus 1 equal to 1 over 0 factorial equal to 1. You can plug in the calculator and see. So, man, how do you know 0 factorial equal to 1? Look, 0 factorial equal to 1. I'll show you. 0 factorial equal to 1, 0, and they say shifting, then factorial. My calculator starts acting up. Come on, baby. No, that's not right. That's not right. We just want factorial. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay. So, okay, let's just cancel everything. Just waste some time. 0, shifting, factorial. Okay, 0 must be 0. Okay, 0. So 0 factorial equal to 1, you have to memorize. Even 1 factorial equal to 1. Look, let's say 1. Okay, cancel this. Say 1, shifting, factorial. Come back, please. My apologies, fam. It's late night right now, almost 2 a.m. But because some of you guys, they message me say, we miss you, we want you to make a video, please. Like, I'm gonna miss you too, I'm gonna make some more. So now we say 1 factorial also equal to 1 also. So it's fun and crazy, right? But hey, not all the time. If you say 2, it's not gonna be the same. 2 factorial equal to 1. Let's say 3. Which equal to 6. Now the question, how do I know? Oh, how this countable? Let me explain to you quick before we continue the question. Look, if somebody say 4 factorial, 4 factorial means 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. You go back to number 1. Okay, let somebody say 5 factorial. 5 means times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. That's how you identify the factorial. So we're going to have to simplify this stuff and see which is going to be the answer among those. Okay, now we go. So bracket, and here on the outside we got negative x. Okay, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 0 factorial equal to 1. Now we can just see 0 factorial because we want to compare with the equal to 1, but let's not simplify straight away because we want to see if the second one is true or not. Okay, plus we want to relate with this. Okay, now, so what I did here, now this is going to be x, 1 plus 1 equal to 2 over 1 factorial, and then plus x, 3, and this is going to be 2 factorial. And this is going to be 4 over 4 factorial. But it's not the same because if you can look careful, let's try to put in the negative. If you put in the negative, or I could say this same and say equal. Look, what is 1 factorial? 1 factorial, 0 factorial equal to 1. Or let's see if the second, okay, okay, 0 factorial equal to 1 means I can say negative x. Okay, x power 1 equal to x over 0 factorial equal to 1. We have even checked the plus x square 1 factorial we check already equal to 1 plus x3 2 factorial equal to 6. You can plug, so 2 factorial means 2 times 1 equal to 2. Oh my god, what am I saying? Why am I say equal to 6? I think it's late night now. I gotta finish this question, sleep people. It's almost 2 now. Okay, 2 a.m. Okay, 2 factorial equal to 2 x power 4. X power 4 is supposed to be 3 factorial. Sorry, this must be 3 factorial, my problem. See here, 3 factorial. But 3 factorial equal to 6. You can plug the calculator straight, so you can say 3 factorial equal to 3 times 2 times 1 equal to 6. Okay. So if you can look careful here, this is the same as this one. So this is true. Okay. What about the second one? So the second one, if you can look careful, means, okay, let me do this. See the second, and they're gonna go for 4. It's like they multiply each one by negative x. Look, negative x times gonna be negative x power 2 because this x power 1 and this x power 1. But has a negative, it has a negative. Okay, over 0 factorial. I'm taking this one. Okay, now if you take negative times positive equal to, because you multiply for each one because of this bracket, negative times is going to be negative, and then x is 1, x is 2 means it's going to be x power 3 over 1 factorial. Now, positive and negative is negative, and then it's going to be 1x and x is 3 means you add the power, it's going to be x power 4 over 2 factorial. Positive and negative is negative. X and x power 4 is going to be x power 5 over 3 factorial. So if you can look careful, the problem or the difference is for this one there's a negative, 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 and negative, but here no, they didn't, so this is wrong because it's supposed to be negative throughout. So this is going to be not true. Okay, let's go for the last one. So for the last one, what they did, they used this one here. Let me explain to you why. So they tried to find the common denominator and put everything together. Okay, look, let's multiply in. Okay, let's multiply in, or you can find the okay. Isn't this going to be x square? Isn't this going to be this x square? This x going to be negative. Excuse me, sorry, this must be negative. Negative x times x squared is going to be x cubed, but over 1, just over 1, and this is over 1. Okay, negative x times this is going to be negative x, 1x and now 3 is going to be 4 over 2. Now this and this is going to be minus x, and x power 4 is going to be x power 5 over 6. So now we can simplify the common denominator like how we do in normal in math. Okay, let's find the common denominator right now. Okay, so now we can say the common denominator for all of this. Stop freezing, come back, come back, come back, come back, come back. Let's come back. It's gonna come back now, right? I'm just waiting for. Sometimes it does freeze. It's acting up. It's acting up sometimes. Okay, it's back. So now we can see, let's find the common denominator here. So our common denominator, so okay, common denominator. Okay. How do we make common denominator? The common denominator is 6. Now we say 6 divided by 1 equal to 6 times negative is going to be negative 6 and square. Okay. 6 divided by 1 equals 6. You divide by the denominator, then you multiply. Score 6 cubed. Now you take 6, you divide, because that's the common denominator. Divided by 2 equals 3. 3 times will be negative 3x 4. Now 6 divided by 6 equal to 1, and this will be negative x power 5, which is true. This is true answer. So according to the question here, there are one true answer, the one which is not correct. Is not correct is the option. Listen, like I said, leave a comment as a feedback because very, very important. So our answer for this case is option number 2. We have actually shown there is option number 2 was not true answer because it was very wrong because of the negative. So look, don't keep these, see, by yourself. Call your family member, call your partner, your girlfriend, or well, like, baby, listen, I want to teach you this summation little quick. So when you teach other, also to remind you, you know, it's taking your mind. So teach other, share this video, and I'm gonna see you soon. Easy, peace. We out.